Guys, I'm starting a YouTube channel and please like and subscribe. Today I'm showing you a electric motor. Firstly, I am put over here a battery. Then I will put do like this, and do you see this? And this I will do like this, and I will take one electric motor. Then I will connect the battery and the electric motor. Wait me a second, I'll be enough. Then I'll do like this, and here it is, and here it is. I'll be here. Then you guys, do you subscribe my YouTube channel?
Like and subscribe.
Do you not like and subscribe?
Yes, we did.
You did? Tell
Yes.
me in the comments. Then we are
Like and subscribe.
like this,
Okay.
and the electric motor is spinning.
We don't see it. Spin. Let's see. Let's see. Where is it? There it is. First, let me show this electric motor. See? This have in here magnet. See?
And finally,
Back. Hey, it's not drawing. See?
see, is spinning.
አይታያቸውም የቆመ ነው የሚመስለው የሆነ ነገር
Like and subscribe.
ወርቅ
In
እንከታተልበት
advance.